Isabel. No, 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 no. Open up. Ready? Open up. Ready for more? See how much she likes them? She leans in for them. Ready?
Eddie's in the background.
I know. Ready? Yeah, there you go. There's the banana dance. Ready? Ready for more? She might fall back on Eddie.
That's actually very primate-like.
I know. She is a primate.
She is a primate.
Banana dance.
She looks like that little monkey. Turn that monkey on.
No, we don't want any distractions. Come on. Yes, yes, you love those bananas.
He smacked her lips.
Ready?
Mmm.
Yes.
That's delicious. Yes, yes it is. Yes, yes it is.
Ready? Hang on. Eddie! Come here.
There you go. Hit the bandit.
More bananas?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I want more bananas. Do the banana dance! Banana dance!
Where's the dance?
She's like, nah, it's nothing special now. More?
Do I keep going?
Let's do one more.
Banana dance.
And there, she has not allowed a drop to drip on her chest. She's got just a tiny bit on her hand from where she tried to grab the spoon from me. She doesn't waste those bananas. Banana dance!
Baby.
I think we're done with the banana dance.
Okay.